should be enough for today's pizza.
Hello, brother.
Danny boy, my favorite loser. What's up, man?
Just stop. Spare me the talk, alright? I saw what you got there.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah? Okay. Well, let me quickly open up my bank app and check my status, huh? Let me do that.
I have a better idea. How about you don't?
Well, from what I see here, a large chunk of my money has been withdrawn half an hour ago.
You should probably switch banks.
Idiot! That's my money there, isn't it?
You are my personal slave. You work for me. This is my money.
Okay. Okay. You're dead! Don't make me do this, bro! Just give me the cash back, man.
Never!
This all makes sense now. I had random withdrawals off my bank account in the last 2 weeks. And I haven't seen you around the house last 2 weeks either.
What can I say, man? I was busy.
You should be busy with trying to find a job, but that's not what you call busy, is it?
Absolutely not.
Yeah, it'll make you pay it all back.
I don't think so. Listen, bro, let's make a deal.
What?
I keep this money, and I let you keep your life.
I only see one deal on the table.
Yeah? And what's that, fat boy?
You give me the cash that's on the island,
Okay.
hand over the desolator,
Uh-huh, okay, and what else? Let me jot this down.
and I shoot you in the face, right below your left eye.
Anything else, fatty?
You give me back my money! Sorry, no refund.
If only I had time to chase you around, but I don't! Because I got some cash to spend, baby!
I was saving this gun, but it's time. It's time for this gun to come out of the shadows. Judgment Day.
Oh, my sweet babies.
Not so fast.
What's that?
It's the penetrator.
Of course it is.
Hand over the cash. Don't do it. Just hand over the money. Don't even think about that gun.
Pizza!
Yes! Yes! Guys, click like. And hey, thank you very much. That little monkey boy is gonna respawn. He's gonna come after me. He's gonna be very angry. And Christmas is coming. This is very bad timing. I gotta go. Things are gonna go down.